she's not going to come down.
Thunder, honey, come on.
Come on. Let's go down. Go up. Come on. You're almost there. Come on.
Honey, try another treat.
Look. Look.
I have an idea. I have an idea. Maybe we should just have her walking on it while it's flat first to get her used to the feel of that under her feet.
Well, she feels like she's going, yeah.
Also, she's getting her feet caught now on that lip.
Well, let me get her. Come on, Thunder.
Sweetheart.
There we go. No, that's it. No more.